Hey everybody, I want to share with you a quick way to overcome that feeling of weakness or like you've lost your strength in the middle of an exercise. And I know what this feels like, to where it's almost like you can't hold on anymore, or you're gonna drop the weight or something like that. And since I've learned this skill, that's not been an issue for me. It's a mindset thing, and then it's a simple skill, which is called pretensing. So let's say that you are doing some pull-ups, and it's kind of an edge exercise for you, meaning that it's difficult, it's kind of at the edge of your abilities. So after one or two, you start to feel that feeling of like flaccidity, and you don't want that. That's not good. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a root lock and squeeze the pelvic floor, and literally take the hands and squeeze, as well as the core, squeeze as much as you can, and recruit as many muscles as you can before actually starting the movement. So you don't just say you're doing that pull up and you're here, you don't just try to do it. You first squeeze and then go, and make sure you're squeezing your hands as much as possible. Recruiting muscles, pelvic floor, you want to do that Kegel to keep the pressure from leaving, and actually make it hard on yourself. So squeeze everything and then go. Let me give you an example. Okay, here's a little demonstration of a pull up with Irie, because that's kind of edgy for me. And so he's gonna be on me, and I'm gonna first squeeze everything and then go. Here's what it looks like. Yep. Ready?
Yeah.
Here we go. Squeeze, now go. And squeeze. All right, thank you. All right. So there you go. At the bottom there, I didn't just go for it, but I squeezed first. So try that. Give me some comments. Let me know if you have any questions. And as always, please like, subscribe, and share with anybody who might find some value in this video. All right, thank you so much.